Editing educational video is one of the toughest tasks for teachers because of many reasons. But if you have better editing skills, you can improve your presentation style. And this way, your chance of becoming successful as a teacher on YouTube increases. This is why I keep recommending lots of editing tools. Personally, I use professional tools, but many of you asked for free and open source tool. So in this video, I am going to present one of the open source software which is for video editing, and that software is really good when it comes to fulfilling all the requirements of educational video editing. In this video, I am going to talk about OpenShot video editor. This is a linear video editor and it is free and open source software. This software fulfills all the requirements to edit educational videos. I believe you will find this video very useful. Watch this video till the end so that you don't miss a single thing. I believe this video will be really helpful for those teachers who are looking for a free software to edit their educational video. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. You can download OpenShot by going to openshot.org. So when you reach on openshot.org, you can see that there is this download button and click on it. And you will see that OpenShot is available for Linux, MacOS as well as Windows. This means you can use it in any of these OSs. And because it's open source software, so you can use it freely without worrying about any license fees. So I've already downloaded and installed OpenShot. So I will just open it, and when you open OpenShot for the first time, it looks like this. If your OpenShot is if OpenShot on your PC is not looking like this, what you can do, simply go to Views and then select Simple View. Then it will start coming like this. You can then move this window like this and you will see it like this. You can also change different views like this: Advanced View, Simple View. And as you can see right now, so we will work on Simple View. So what are the requirements when we edit an educational video? Fortunately, the requirements are very few and I have listed them here. So you can see the first requirement is to merge multiple videos or rearrange multiple clips. So what we will do, first we need to learn how to import videos or audio in this OpenShot editor. For that, you click on this plus icon. It will open the windows to select file. From here, you can import audio, video and images file. So what I'll do, I will select this web file, this video, that's all. Because I know these are my media which I need to edit this video. So I'll click on open and you will see all the media that you have selected will start appearing here. If it's not looking like this in your PC, what you can do, simply right click on this area and click on thumbnail view. So it will start coming in thumbnail view, or you can also click again on details view. It will start appearing like this. Now you can see we have videos as well as audio. Because I have recorded this video, this is why I know one video is missing, so I will import that as well. We can also import video file by simply dragging and dropping into this window. So what I'll do, I'll select these two files that are part of this project and I will drag and drop them. So it will start appearing like this. Now I have all the files that I want to edit. So what I will do now, when you want to edit media on OpenShot, you need to put them in tracks. So you can see these tracks are here. We can move this like this so that we can see all tracks available like this. You can remove these tracks by simply clicking on this and clicking on remove track. If you want, you can also add a new track simply by Simply by right clicking on any of this track area and click on add track either above or below. So I will add a track above and you will see now there are 5 tracks. Important thing about track is that one track overlaps another. So the one which is on top overlaps the media which is available on track below that. Now we are ready to edit the videos. So what we will do? We will now start placing them into track and I will start placing media on track 1. By looking into this numbering, I know that this is the first media. So one media is available here. Then this is the second media. This one. I will place it here. See, it's that simple. Now you can see I have merged 2 medias. See, 2 medias are now merged. They are now in one clip. This is how 2 medias are now in one sequence. Similarly, I can add one more media here like this, and after that I will add the last clip here. Now all our videos are in place. You can see these are the videos. Now what I do, I also record my audio separately. This is why these 2 audio files are there. Now I will place these audio files in correct sequence, first like this and then comes this one like this. Now because this audio is on second track, it should overlap the media which is on track 1, but it will not overlap because it's audio, it's not visible. If I would have put something else, then the media which is available on track 1 becomes invisible. Now second requirement is to synchronize the audio with video, because audio and videos are recorded with 2 separate devices. This is why it is important to synchronize before start editing. So what I will do, I will synchronize this. In order to synchronize, it's important that their waves are visible. So what I will do, I will select this video, right click on it, go to display and click on show waveform. Now waveform of audio which is present in this video will become visible. Similarly, I will select this media also and I will click on display and show waveform. Now you can see waveform of both the medias are visible. Now it is very easy for me to synchronize it. For this I will move this head. You can move this head to play the video from a particular position. So let me now play this video.
In my videos, I have talked about many
So as you can see right now, audio and video are not synchronized, and this is why 2 audios are audible, because you can see there are 2 audios overlapping each other. So first of all we need to synchronize. So what I will do, I will reach here, then I will zoom it. So how I can zoom it? I can zoom it by moving this to this position like this. See? So this is how I can zoom. Now because it is zoom, it is perfectly visible that if I will move it here, it will be on in perfect synchronization. See? Now they are in synchronization. Because these waveforms are visible, this is why it's very easy for me to synchronize. Let me now play it again.
In my video, in my videos, I have talked about many synchronization.
So now you can see that I can listen only one audio, not 2 audios. It can happen only when both the audios are synchronized. Now both the audios are perfectly synchronized. Let's zoom out again to see this audio from this clip. Let's now right click on it, click on display and show waveform. Now these waves are visible, and because I record intro and end of the video at the same time, this is why I know that this part of the audio does not belong to this video or this video. It belongs to the end clip. So what I will do, I will cut this clip. How I can cut it? There is this option, slice, razor tool. So let's click on this razor tool and I will cut this clip from here. See, now this clip is in two parts. What I will do, I will zoom out and now I will move this clip to the end, this here and this one here, because this audio belongs to this video. Let's now make this web visible too. So right click on this, display and show web form. Now web form is visible here. Similarly, we will make the web form of this clip visible. Yes. Now what I will do, I will move this and this clip by pressing Ctrl. I can select multiple clips. I will move it like this because in order to synchronize these two, I have to move this clip, correct? This is why I will now go here. I will now zoom in and now you can see that waves are visible, and because waves are visible, you can easily synchronize audio with video. So what I will do now, I will cut this unwanted portion like this. See, I am cutting it. See, now I will move it. I will zoom more. And now it is looking like synchronized to me. Okay, let's now play this.
For that, when you open PowerPoint, you need to go to Insert.
Yes, I can listen only one audio. This means now audio and videos are synchronized. Similarly, I will synchronize the last video as well.
Now I believe you know how to record your computer screen with the help of PowerPoint.
Yes. Now all these clips are synchronized. Now I can start editing. So once all these clips are synchronized, audio and videos are synchronized, all the clips are in place, we can start editing. And when I say editing, what does it mean? Removing unwanted portion from your videos. This is the requirement. Now what I have to do, because these things are synchronized, what I will do, I will first start editing this clip. So I will move the head here. I will zoom out a little, zoom in a little. Then now I will identify the starting point. What is the correct starting point of this video? It's looking like that there are gaps in the audio and maybe correct one is starting from here. I will now start playing it.
In my videos, I have talked about many screencasting software, including OBS.
Yes, this is the correct starting point. So what I will do, I will reach here and after that I will cut it. So what I have to do now, I have to cut both. So razor tool helps you in cutting one clip. But now I want to cut both. So what I will do, after my head is in the correct place, I will try to zoom out a little so that I can see if, yeah, correct, this is correct place. And now I will press Ctrl K from my keyboard. When I press Ctrl K, what will happen? Both the clips, means all the clips which are present in any one of the track will get cut from that particular portion. Now I know that this portion is unwanted portion, so I will select it and press delete, select it again and press delete. This is how I can remove starting point of the video. Now I will select both and then I will move it in the beginning because we want our video to start from 0 second. So now this is 0 second, as you can see. This is 0 second and now I can see if video is starting from correct position or not. So let's play this.
In my videos,
Yeah, it's perfect. Now because I want only one audio. See, this one is the correct audio which is recorded from a good device, and this is part of video which I don't want to keep because as you can see it has noise. See, you can see this is noise here and here there is no noise. So what I'll do, I will remove the audio from this video clip. For that I have to right click on it, go to volume and go to entire clip and set label to 0%. Now this is set to 0%, although waves will be visible, but now if I play the audio will be more clear now because this clip is now set to 0% volume level. So now I can listen to this audio only.
In my videos, I have talked about many screencasting software.
Yes, now maybe you are also experiencing the quality of the audio. So this is how you can remove a clip from the starting of your video. Now let us say if there is some unwanted portion in between the clip. We want to remove that too. So obviously we need to listen to the video, but also by looking into the waveforms, I can identify if there is a possibility of mistake or not. Because I am editing it in front of you, this is why I am not listening to complete clip. Otherwise, I listen to complete clip. So I will directly jump here and try to listen from here because it seems that there is a mistake.
Use PowerPoint itself as a screen recorder, and you do not need to worry about installing other screen recorders. And then you do not need to worry about installing other screen recording softwares.
Yes. So now I know that there is a problem from here to here, maybe here. Let me now listen to it again.
Put as a screen recorder, and you do not need to worry about installing other screen.
So this is the wrong portion. So wrong portion starts from here up to here. So now after moving the head to this location, I will press Ctrl K. Then I will move to the end of wrong part and then I will press Ctrl K again. This way the wrong part is now separated. I will select this one, press delete, select this one, press delete. Now I will select both of these clips and move it here. This is how you remove unwanted portion from your entire video. So again, now we are at the end of the clip and again I see that there is some problem because there is no audio. Let me now play this.
What are we waiting for? Let's start.
Yes, up to here only I want to keep this clip. So I will press Ctrl K and then select this clip, delete, select this clip, delete. See, this is how you can remove unwanted portion from the end of the video, in between the video and from the starting of the video. Let's learn this, how to add text. So text is required when we want to add some name of the professor or something like that. For that, what we need to do, we will first reach to the place where we want to add text or image or something like this. Then we will zoom in. You can always see here the position of the head. So right now my head is at 5 seconds. What I will do, now I have to write a text. As I told you that there are tracks. So this track is for video, this track is now contains audio. I want to put a text so that my name is visible here. OpenShot allow you to write text in overlays. For that, what I need to do, I need to go to title, click on title, and then I have to select a template which is given here. So this bar is looking like lower third. See, this is here, this is here. Similarly, this one is also here. So you can select a title which is looking good to you. What I will do, I will select this cloud to write my name, and then I will select the line 1, 2, and I will remove this second line because I don't want to put anything there. And after that, I will click on save. Now this text is also available here. See? And if you have seen my previous video on Inkscape, you know the format SVG. So this actually connects with this. OpenShot actually connects with Inkscape in order to create title. And I will cover this in one of my other video. Right now, you can use the existing templates. Once this SVG file is available here, what I will do, I will move it to the desired place here. Now you can see name is available here. I have to resize it. So what I'll do, I will right click on it. I'll click on transform and then I can see these controlling points and now I will control it like this. After moving it to the correct size, I will then move it to the desired location. For that, I will use this middle portion and then I will move it here. Once I am satisfied with the placement, I will click anywhere and now these controlling points are gone. This is how I can place a lower third or a title into my video anywhere. So you can place it anywhere. Similarly, I can also move images. So for example, here I want to move some images. I want to place some images. So what I'll do, I will click on import. Then I will go to the desired place and I will select the images from here like this, this, this and this. Then I will click on open. All the images are now part of this project. What I will do, I will now move the images one by one to the desired place. So I will move it here. See, again it is coming like this. So what you have to do, right click on it, transform it and then you can resize it. Now, by selecting this middle portion, I can move it anywhere in the location like this. Right now you can see that this clip is starting from 5 seconds. By moving to head, by moving this head, I can know that this is starting from 5 seconds and ending at 14 seconds. If you want to keep it only for 5 seconds, what you need to do, move your head to 10 seconds so you know where is 10 second ending. So this is 10 seconds. Now I will go to end, then I will resize this like this. This way this title will remain only for 5 seconds on the screen and after that it will go. We can see it. Let's move the head here, play it.
Including OBS, Camtasia Studio, Screencastify and Flashback Express. Still people
see it has gone after this head crossed this particular timeline. The way I transform this particular image, similarly I can transform this video also. So what I'll do, I will select this video, right click on it, click on transform. You can see the same controlling point here. I will now start transforming it by pressing Ctrl key. So I will transform it like this. So here's the problem. The problem is that this video preview is not correct. This is coming in different size. What I will do, I will first save this project. You should save the project as soon as you start creating it. Now, I will change this preview window to set to 16 by 9. Right now it is 4 by 3. For that, I have to go to Edit, Preferences. In the Preferences, you will see option for preview. Go to preview and select a different profile for preview. It must be 16 by 9. Make sure the size is small. See, it is only for preview. When you export your video, it will come in full HD. You can set that profile there. Right now, we don't want to use complete memory. This is why I will select 16 by 9 PAL 512 by 288. I'll select this and click on close. You need to restart OpenShot. Okay. So I'll make sure that I've saved this project and then I will close this. Then again I will open OpenShot. Now I will open the project. So now you can see this window is coming in 16 by 9 ratio. Now I will right click on this. Now I will right click on this, click on transform and then I will resize this. So for that I will press Ctrl and then I will resize it like this. Then I will move it to the desired place by selecting this. And now it is looking perfect to me. Let's now play this.
In my videos, I have talked about many.
In fact, I can simply watch the preview by moving this head. And now because I have selected this, I resize this one only. This one will remain normal. See, this is coming in different size. So the way I have imported this PNG, similarly what I can do, I can import some other PNG also. For example, logo. So what I will do, I will click on this plus icon, then I will select the logo and then open it. When it is available in this library, I will move it to the desired track. I will place it to complete track like this. Then I will resize it and then I will place it to the desired place like this. Let's learn about adding a background music. In case you want to add a background music, how to add that? It's actually very easy. For that you will first import a music file. So right now I don't have a music file in this PC. What I will do, I will select a different audio file. So for example, I will select a different audio from this, like this one. Then I will move this anywhere in any one of these tracks. So because this is audio, I do not need to worry about display. Once the audio is here, what I will do, I will right click on this, go to volume and select entire clip and make it to 10%. This way the audio is now set to 10%, this one only. So I will now play this clip. Let's move it here and play it.
Page to record screen. And whenever you demand, I will really encourage.
See, so right now you are able to hear my voice clearly, this audio clearly, as this one is set to 10% only. So this is how you can bring a music clip and then you can set its volume to 10% or lower than that, and this way you can add a background music to your educational videos. I will now delete this as I don't want it. In one of my videos, I will tell you from where you can get the music to place in your videos. Now you have learned all of these things. The only thing is remaining is transition. Let's do the transition part also. You can see the transition here. What is the transition? When there is a jump from one clip to another, you want to transition. For example, here in this video, after I end my video, I put a transition. So I will move this here. See, I am moving it because I don't want to edit it right now. But what you need to do, whenever you are moving, always move with the audio because you have synchronized it with a lot of efforts. Now these two video clips are here. What I want, I don't want to come. See, right now how they will come, it will come like this. See, there is a sudden change. You look at the video preview, there is a sudden change. I don't want that sudden change. In order to remove that sudden change, what I can do, I can put a transition. So what I will do, I will first reach to the correct portion, like this is the correct portion. Then I will cut this portion from the beginning like this, and now I will move it near to this, and now I will place a transition. See, it's looking like this. So there are many transitions. For example, let's see, this transition is there. I will move it and place it here. So I'll place it in between like this. I can also resize it like this, like this. If I play it now, see how it will look.
It's software. Yes. So what are we waiting for? Let's start.
See, it will come like this. Okay. Right now this preview is not looking good because you remember I selected a higher level. So we can actually experience it by simply moving the head like this. See, it will come like this. And obviously this is not looking good here. So what I'll do, I will remove this. I'll select this and press delete. Then there are many. You can experiment with a lot of these transitions. I have already experimented with them, and what I like this fade. I will move fade here. I will resize it like this, and then I'll place it here in mid. Now if I play it, so you can see how it will look. See, it will look like this. You can see in the beginning this transition is becoming black. What I want, it should become black but at the end. So this is why what I'll do, I will click on this option and click on reverse transition. This way now it is reversed. So it will start fading from here, and when it will reach to the end, then it will become completely blank. See, now it is completely black. So what I will do now, I will move it here at the end of this clip. I will resize it. In order to place the similar transition here, what I will do, I will right click on it, copy transition. Then I will right click anywhere in the timeline. I will click on paste, and then I will move it on top of it. And I will attach it to this transition. Now this one is starting from fade, and at the end it will become black. Then what I want, it should start from black, and at the end it should become fade to normal. So I will select this and I'll click on reverse transition. Now you can see in the beginning this one is black, and then it will start removing the fade option, and at the end it will show the complete clip. So this is how you can place transition in complete video. For now, I just want to show you how this video looks after exporting. This is why what I am going to do, I am going to remove these clips, because if video is long, then it will take a lot of time in exporting. This is why I will remove all these clips. And now my video is ready. What I will do now, I will simply go to, first I will save it, and then I will click on this option to export video. Then I will give this a name where I want to save it. Then I will select a profile. So all format is perfect. Target is MP4, video profile 1920 by 1080, that is full HD, 30 FPS, and quality is high. Then I will click on export video. For now I will keep the quality to mid because it will take less time, and this way I will be able to show it to you fast. So I'll click on export video, and then it will start exporting. As you can see, this is around 50-second long video, see, and still it's taking a lot of time. So the longer the video, the longer time it takes. This is why what we do at ET Mantra, in the whole day we edit all the videos. We keep editing, we don't produce. And after our editing is complete, or after end of the day, when people are leaving office, they select all the videos, all the projects, and they start exporting. So when the next morning they come, they reach to the office, all the videos are there, and then they start using those. So now the export is complete. Then I'll click on done. And now let's play the video. So you already know that I use everything to search files from my PC. I'll open everything. Then I'll search for this video. I'll simply write star.mp4 because I exported that video in mp4. You can see this video is here, and this is of 30 MB. See, right now it is created 7:21 AM. See, 7:21 AM. Let me now play this video for you.
In my videos, I have talked about many screencasting software.
So you can see the logo is coming here. My name should start coming from 5 seconds. You can see this clip is zoomed. I'll play it.
Including OBS, Camtasia Studio,
See, this is coming here.
Screencastify and Flashback Express. Still, people keep asking for different ways.
Now we have to check transition. So we'll play the complete video.
To record screen. And whenever you demand, I feel really encouraged. So this time, I am going to create a video on how to use PowerPoint to record.
So I'll move.
Yes.
Yeah. See, you can see this was also placed. It is coming like this.
Recent update of PowerPoint allow you to record computer screen with your audio explanation. This way, you can use PowerPoint itself as a screen recorder, and then you do not need to worry about.
So now you know we put the transition, we zoomed the first clip only, not the second one. This is why the second clip coming like this, and now we are waiting for the transition.
About installing other screen recording softwares. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. Screen recording using PowerPoint is very easy.
Now I believe you know how to use OpenShot. Now I expect to see good videos of yours because you are now going to use this awesome software to edit your videos and give them a professional look. I will see you in my next video now. Namaste.